7 Ways to Turn Your Old Denim Jeans into Home Decor. Dress up a no-frills bench with a comfy denim box cushion. To DIY, you'll need a sewing machine equipped with a denim needle. You don't need ninja-like crafting skills to sink your teeth into this basket idea by Amma, the Belgian DIYer behind OO blog. While it takes a chunk of time to create, it's a great rainy day project that's easy peasy to weave. Ruth from Living Well Planner says if you can sew a straight line, you can turn a pair of denim bottoms into a placemat. Sewing doesn't have to be a part of your DIY repertoire to make this denim wall organizer by Robin at Redo It Yourself. All you need is glue and a styrofoam board. Here's how to stick it all together. Denim is a versatile and durable fabric that's easy to clean. That's why the folks at Funky Junky Vintage decided to repurpose jean pockets into coasters. Not a DIYer? Jean Bag will turn your worn-out denims into a bean bag chair for $350 USD. Claire, the blogger who pens Pillar Box Blue, isn't called the Denim Whisperer for nothing. She has been upcycling discarded jeans for years. Her latest project is an upholstery hack that dresses up a rundown IKEA chair using an electric staple gun. She reveals how here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.